Happy New Year. Let's get that out of the way. I hope everybody had a beautiful and blessed evening and start to a great new year. Let's leave all that negativity behind in 2022 because that was a nightmare. But overall, I shot some of this sometime last week and then I got busy, which really doesn't matter, but it leads me to this. I got equipment, so we're gonna start shipping again. We meaning myself, but I'm gonna start shipping again. So if you've had coffee in the past from me, things will be up and running in the next 2-3 weeks. I gotta roast again, and if you haven't, stay tuned and just follow the page for more information on what's gonna go on this year, because I have a goal and I'm determined to basically get there. Now for the video. So this trend happened sometime last year, and it was like orange juice with coffee. I know it doesn't sound good, but it is, and it's acquired taste. But just think about your having breakfast, and you know how you order yourself a cup of coffee and you order orange juice and some water, and sometimes you just sip in all these cups. Just trust me on this one. It tastes even way better when you make it fresh. So fresh oranges to make juice and espresso. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Simple, but we're gonna take it up a notch. Now this brings me back to my childhood. It is a Dominican drink called Morir Sonando, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. Very simple. Shout outs to my sister, and then who used to make it when we were kids, and my dad, who used to buy it for her sometimes from Latin Star. So if you come from Haverstraw, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's basically evaporated milk, orange juice, and ice. I'm gonna change it up a little bit, add some stuff with the espresso and see what it tastes like. And we'll take it from there. For visual aesthetics, I shot this part first. I made the espresso first to kind of let it cool down. But in reality, focus on making the orange juice first before pulling your shots of espresso. A fresh orange juice that's cool will make this drink go a long way. And you get away with the Tropicana or your orange juice of liking, but there's nothing better than freshly squeezed orange juice. This is really a simple drink. Like I said, orange juice with espresso, but if you're gonna make the Morir Sonando, just add orange juice. And with this, we're gonna mix in a little bit of sugar and maybe a spoonful of vanilla and mix. So consistently stir. And when you begin to pour your evaporated milk, continue to stir so it doesn't curd. You don't want to mess up that drink that you worked so hard for. Now, right here is where you could stop if you just wanted your Morir Sonando. But we have to take it up a notch. Crush it a little bit with the ice and pour your espresso. And that's it. You got 2 drinks. Okay, so we just made this drink, and I'm gonna show you the first one, which is the orange juice with the espresso. Now, drink it this way. Do not mix it, because it does something to the flavor when you mix it. I know it doesn't look appeasing, but it's so good. I can't describe the flavoring on it. It's a weird, but really good drink. And now, this may not be your cup of coffee, you know what I'm saying? But I enjoy this. Kush said the same thing. He can't describe the taste, but it is a good drink, and I do enjoy it. And like I said, it's nothing new, but I figure I'd make it, and then we'll put a twist on it. Now, this is the Morir Sonando to Die Dreaming. That's kind of the translation with the shot of espresso. You see how kind of the density drop, the liquid drop to the bottom. It tastes good. This is actually my second one. So This one has more ice in it, but I redid them because I wanted you to see how visually pleasing these things are. But it is good. It has this like creamsicle taste with the flavor of coffee on it. Now, you don't need like an expensive piece of equipment like I do to make good coffee, or an espresso. You can get away with a mocha pot or a greca or cafetera in Spanish. I'll work on this later on. I'll show you how to make a good coffee with that. But as of now, like I said, what you want to do is fresh orange juice and your coffee. And then if you want to feel daring, you make it with evaporated milk. The only thing I'm just saying is don't mix the orange juice with the coffee, so that way it doesn't mess around with the flavor notes. And then if you're gonna take the Morir Sonando, the other drink, basically when you're mixing the evaporated milk with the orange juice, make sure you stir it consistently so it doesn't curdle. But aside from that, hey, let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys had a great Christmas and to the new year. Peace.